This is a Transportation TV close-up, Biking in America 2011. You've been biking for most of your life.
Right, since I was 13.
And biking to work ever since you started working.
Right, because it's a lot of fun, because it's great exercise, it keeps you in shape, and it's free.
Shia is rare. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, approximately 90% of Americans use a motor vehicle to get to work. Convincing more people to follow Shia's lead is the goal behind National Bike to Work Day.
It lets us put our messaging and our marketing all into one thing that gets people to give it a try first. And that's the key to getting folks to bike to work, is to have it enter their mind as an option and give it a try once. And then by and large, it sells itself.
A myriad of public and private agencies, including state departments of transportation, are working together to make bicycling more attractive.
We've had a real positive response. The employees love them. We're starting to run out of bikes now.
In Las Vegas, the Regional Transportation Commission is sharing dozens of electric bikes with several city and county agencies to give workers an alternative to the car during the workday.
We're saving a lot of money on gas. We don't have to buy and renew our pool car fleet. We've got that capital program has completely been changed, and we're reducing a lot of emissions from going out into the atmosphere.
The District of Columbia Department of Transportation is also leading the way with its Capital Bike Share program, one of the first of its kind in the country. For a fee, bike riders can use 1,100 bicycles at 110 stations in D.C. and neighboring Arlington County, Virginia. DDOT is also adding miles of bike lanes to city streets, and it just spent $4 million to add a 2-mile stretch of the Metropolitan Branch Trail, which runs from Union Station in D.C. to Silver Spring, Maryland, 8 miles away.
We've got several pieces of it done right now, but we want to connect them all and make it a great resource for recreation and transportation for the city.
DDOT and all 50 state departments of transportation participate in the Safe Routes to School program, a nationwide effort to promote safety and combat childhood obesity through initiatives to encourage children to bike and walk to school. AASHTO has released this new guidebook filled with proven methods to make these programs successful. The guidebook is available free of charge as an online downloadable publication at the AASHTO bookstore. And as members of the American Association of State Highway and Transportation Officials, DOTs have teamed up with the Adventure Cycling Association to develop a national interstate route system for bicycles. AASHTO's Special Committee on U.S. Route Numbering has approved 6 new U.S. bicycle routes this year.
We've been designating and marking out and mapping bike routes across the United States. And the mission is really to connect people with the landscape, with our country, and with its history.
Building a transportation system that encourages biking and walking is a vital role of the nation's transportation agencies. Through programs delivered by state DOTs, the Federal Aid Highway Program provided $5.2 billion in funding from 1999 to 2009 to bike and pedestrian programs. Transportation officials know that the major challenge they face is to try and grow these programs despite dramatic cuts in federal and state transportation funding. They also understand the benefits these programs bring to the community.
There's economic development, we have jobs, people building the trail. Also, the bicycling industry here in DC is a multi-million-dollar industry in the retail and rental. There's health benefits for the community.
Biking in America 2011.